How to fix Steelseries Sonar not loading on Discord. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm Emily and I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. So first of all, make sure that you have the stable Wi-Fi connection on your device. Next, tap on the settings application, or first of all, just launch the Play Store application on your device and search for Discord application. Just make sure that you have the latest version of Discord application. As you can see on the screen, there is no option of update, which means we have the latest version of Discord application. Now go back to the home screen and make sure and make a long press on the Discord application and then tap on App Info. As you do that, scroll down and tap on Clear Data option at the bottom right corner of the screen over here and then tap on Clear Cache. Then tap on OK. And as you do that, go to the app permissions and make sure that you have toggled on all the required options over here by going to each and every option and giving that access. After that, you can just go and see your issue has been solved regarding Steelseries Sonar not loading on Discord. So thank you so much for watching this video. See you next time.